In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a table to text in LibreOffice Writer quickly and easily. If you've ever had a table in your document that you no longer need as a table, or you simply want the content in plain text format, this is the exact method to use. It only takes a few clicks, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to do it confidently. If this video helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. If you're starting from scratch, look on the left side under Create and click Write a Document. If you already have a document open, you can use that instead. Now that your document is open, find the table you want to convert. Click inside the table first so LibreOffice knows exactly which content you're working with. If you want to convert the whole table, make sure the entire table is selected. If you only want to convert specific rows or a section of the table, select those rows instead. This step is important because it determines what gets turned into plain text. Once your table or table section is selected, go up to the top menu and click Table. From the drop-down menu, choose Convert, then click Table to Text. LibreOffice will now open a small dialog box that lets you decide how the text should be separated once the table is removed. This is where you choose the separator. You can use tabs, commas, paragraphs, or another delimiter depending on how you want the content to look after conversion. Pick the separator that makes the most sense for your document. For example, if you want each column to stay organized, a tab separator is usually the best choice. If you want the content easier to read as separate lines, a paragraph separator may work better. After choosing your separator, click OK. LibreOffice Writer will instantly convert the table into normal text. Your table borders will disappear and the data will now appear as plain editable text in your document. You can then format it however you want, edit the wording, or copy and paste it somewhere else. This is really useful if you need to simplify a document, reuse table content in another section, or prepare text for a different layout. And that's it. You've successfully converted a table to text in LibreOffice Writer. It's a simple but very useful feature that can save you time when editing documents. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a like, subscribe for more LibreOffice tips, and let me know in the comments what software tutorial you want to see next.